Okay, here we go with Ki Cho HYUNG E BU. All the moves will be performed in the front stance. Start out to your left with a low block and a high punch. Come back, low block, high punch. Pretty simple stuff here. Low block to the center. Now, my student down the center line is going to do a high block and a reverse middle punch. The traditional form is a high block only. You don't do the reverse middle punch. Everything else is the same. Low block, 270-degree turn to the left, and now a high punch. Now 180 degrees back. Low block, high punch. Now you're going to do a low block to the center, and again the traditional form only does the high block here, and it doesn't do that reverse punch right there. And if you're going to do the traditional form, just do 3 high blocks down the center with a key up. Now 270-degree turn to the left, low block, high punch, then 180 degrees to the right, low block, high punch. Now go to Chun V and then to attention, and that's the end of the kata, or the form, or the hyung, whatever you want to call it.